think this doesn't need telling, but actually it does. Don't do what I do. Always read the title. In comprehensions, in anything, read the title, because there'll be a clue there. And very often, not always, but very often there's a question. Especially, and it will clear up things, because sometimes they will put a metaphor or something. Let's have a look. So the title, that they could say, and the shaggy rug got up from in front of the fire and walked off. What does that mean? Well, it sounds like it's a magical rug, doesn't it? Ooh. But if you read the title and it says dogs in medieval Britain, you know they've just used a metaphor to describe the dog. So read the title, read the title, read the title. Read the title. And if in doubt, yeah, you got it. Read the title. Go on then. Give me a number between 1 and 9. Shout it out. Good. Let's see what noise we can have for that one. Well, that was short, wasn't it? Read the title.